Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we will attach a file using this automated software. So for that what we have to do, we have to click this attach button and we will find the properties of this button by just right clicking this and give inspect, and you can find that this particular button has the attribute title equal to attach. Okay, so you can find that title is not a standard attribute. So for that what you have to do, you have to use export. So coming back to the code, and we will create a variable for this attach button. So it is going to be driver.find underscore element underscore by export. Okay, so we are going to search from the beginning. So it is going to be double slash, and we are going to search all the objects which are having attribute title. So at title is equal to, and the value of this title is attach. Okay, so since there is double quotes present in the string, we will enclose this with single quotes. Okay, and when you use this click function, you can control that particular attach option. Okay, so let us run this code, and it has been unselected. Before it was selected, now it is unselected. So let us run this code once again to click it. So you can see that this option is being clicked now. Okay, so there are 4 options. So let us see what is these options. Okay, so each option corresponds to integer functions. That is when you want to attach photos and videos, you are going to use this box, and when you are using camera, you have to use this box, and if you are using document, you have to use the third option, and finally when you are going to send some context, you have to use this last item, that is fourth item. Okay, so in this example, let us send some photos. So we are going to use this first option. So there is a button present in this particular option. Okay, so when you click this button, and you can see a open dialog. Okay, so here you have to choose the file path, and this open dialog can be accessed by a tag name called as input. So let's come to the code, and dialog equal to driver dot find element by tag name. So as I told you, that particular open dialog can be read using this tag name, and the tag is called as input. Okay, so when you run this code, we can get the object for that particular open dialog, and when you run this code, you can come to know this dialog represents that open dialog box. And to attach a file, what we have to do is we have to copy the full path of the file, and we have to send that path to this dialog. Okay, so that is done by dialog dot send underscore key. So here you have to give the path of the file name. So suppose if I want to send this particular image, okay, so this image is being present at this path. So let us copy this and paste it here. Okay, so when you run this code, you can see that this particular file is being read and it is ready to attach. Okay, so now we have to click this particular button. So how we will read this button? So just right click and give inspect. Okay, and this is the class name. So copy this class name, and when you give but equal to driver dot find element by class name. Okay, so let's run this code, and when you click that button using dot click, it is ready to send. Okay, so let us click this button, and now you can see that this particular image is being sent to that user.